Switching between projects is tedious. You remember the repo name, but not the full path. You type cd, tab complete, through directories, and waste time navigating. What if your shell knew all your projects and could switch instantly with one short command? Project environment management is not a new idea. SPMS appeared in BSD Unix back in the 1980s. In 2000, I used VSPMS at Forte Software in Oakland. Russ Tremaine open-sourced it in 2013. PJMAI-RS continues this tradition with modern Rust tooling and AI agent support. PJMAI-RS is a Rust command line tool that manages your project directory registry. Give each project a short nickname, then switch instantly with chpj. It integrates with your shell through exit codes, so the parent process can change directories or source environment files. Shell integration is the key innovation. Most command line tools cannot change your working directory because they run as subprocesses. PJMAI uses exit codes to signal the shell wrapper what action to take. Exit 2 means change directory, exit 3 means source a file. Switching is fast and forgiving. Type chpj followed by a project name or partial match. Fuzzy matching handles typos and case differences. Push and pop commands let you temporarily jump to another project, then return with a single command. Each project can have its own environment, set variables with evpj, or create a .pjmai.sh file in your project root. PJMAI uses hash-based approval to prevent untrusted code execution. Approve once, and it auto-sources on future visits. The scan command finds all your Git repositories automatically. It parses the remote origins to group by organization, suggests nicknames, and handles collisions. Run scpj on your code directory, and your entire project list populates in seconds. PJMAI was designed with AI agents in mind. The JSON flag provides machine-readable output for all commands. The context command gives agents project metadata, build instructions, and important files. Errors include suggestions in structured format. First, the basic workflow: adding projects with adpj, listing with lspj, and switching with chpj using fuzzy matching. We start by adding 3 projects with short nicknames. Add pj registers a project by name with a folder flag. List pj shows all registered projects. Change pj switches using fuzzy matching. So back matches backend. Show pj displays the current project details. Print pj returns just a name, perfect for shell prompts. Next, environment management, setting variables with evpj, adding entry hooks, and automatic sourcing when you switch projects. Environment, pj manages project-specific variables. We set a database URL for the web app project. On enter hooks, run automatically when switching to a project. Show displays the full configuration. Projects can also include a .pjmai.sh file for custom setup. When switching, PJMAI warns about unapproved scripts. Source PJ lets you review and approve them. Auto discovery with cpj. Scan a directory to find Git repositories. Preview the results, then add them all at once. ScanPJ discovers Git repositories automatically. The dry run flag shows what would be added without making changes. Add all imports every discovered project at once. ListPJ shows projects grouped by organization. Now we can switch to any discovered project using its nickname. Finally, stack navigation, push to save your current project, switch to another, then pop to return exactly where you were. Push PJ saves your current project and switches to another. We start in web app, then push to check the API. Show PJ confirms we are now in the API project. We push again to check config. The stack remembers our path. Pop PJ returns to the previous project. We pop back to API, then pop again to return to web app where we started. PJMAI-RS transforms how you navigate your codebase. Short aliases, fuzzy matching, stack navigation, and per project environments. Version 0.4 completes Phase 3 with full environment configuration. Future phases add sandboxing and AI integration. Clone the repo from GitHub and run the install script with the local flag. Then scan your code directory to discover projects. Links and documentation are in the description below. Start managing your projects like a pro. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications, and leave a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one. Bye.